साथ जोरदार तालियां आ जाए ऑन स्टेज अमर।
लॉन्डो लॉन्डियो कैसे हो? एक तो ऐसे करके मत बैठ, ये बढ़िया था ना। कोई शिव भक्त कौन था यहाँ पे? आपका नाम मृगांग, राइट? समबडी, आप वो शिव वो तत्सव वितुर कर गया आपके लिए। ही इज अ क्रिश्चियन, इज अ फकिंग राइस बैग। It's weird what comedians have to do for audience, man. He totally doesn't give a fuck about you, man. My name is Amar. Give me a cheer if anybody's watched any of my videos here. Thank you. I have like about 3 million hits on my YouTube channel और वो सारे लोग कोविड में मर गए. I miss my followers. So I'm actually किसी को मेरी जोक्स तो याद है नहीं, तो मैं पुराने जोक्स रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. काफ़ी यंग लोग आ गए यहाँ पे. पिछले शो का जो एवरेज था वो 70 था. You guys look much better now. I know you guys haven't watched any of my videos. I'm a bit famous. My name is right on IndiaGate. Amar Jawan Jyoti. It's right there. Unfortunately, Jyoti and I are not together anymore because she wasn't Jawan anymore. Fans of Modi ji, give me a cheer. कोई भी नहीं है या कोई बताना नहीं चाहता. The reason I said this because the moment I tell people my name is Amar, people like Akbar Anthony कहाँ है? You know, it happens all the time. Actually, जब से 2014 इलेक्शन हुए, अकबर एंथनी दोनों गायब. So I miss Akbar and Anthony, man. I'm mostly an English comedian. I mostly perform in English. You know, I try to perform the way most comedians and most audiences in India like shows, right? ज़्यादातर लोग हिंदी में परफॉर्म करते हैं, तो मैं भी कोशिश करता हूँ, कई बार कोशिश करूँ कि उनकी तरह परफॉर्म करूँ. So, लॉन्डो लॉन्डियो कैसे हो? इसका जवाब नहीं रहता ब्रो. See, I perform in English. That is one of the reasons I and Shashi Tharoor have been struggling for a bit. हम दोनों को कोई समझ नहीं पा रहा है. You know, but I like the language English, and I think Indians fuck up English in a lot of ways, right? Which I don't like. For example, like even Sid was asking, what's a good name? What's a good name? This is a question. एक तो ऐसे करके मत बैठो. Anybody who sits like this, I assume they're scratching the nipples. Don't fucking. Unless you want to scratch your nipples, I'm fine with that. But otherwise, don't sit like that. So people, for example, Indians say, what's your good name a lot, right? This is a very, very common question. Now the question assumes I have 25 names, out of which I plucked one good name. The rest of them are fuck all names. Like the other day, Pooja called me, asked me, hello sir, what's your good name? I said, Pooja, see, my name is Amar, but if you insist, my good name is Parvati. Pooja did call me again. Then I was at a hotel reception, there was Susie at the reception. Susie asked me the same question, sir, may I have a good name? The problem is Susie was hot. I'm like, Susie, see, my good name is Amar. My better name is Janu. And my best name is Baby. Susie didn't like that. You see, but as an English comedian, I think there are two kinds of problems with English. The problems with good English and the problems with bad English, okay? Now, I'm from Gurgaon, okay? And there's a Haryanvi friend I have, Rajbir. Rajbir fell in love with the girl. He's like, मुझे अपनी girlfriend को propose करना है. मैं जाके हरियाणवी बोल, मारे को थारे से प्यार, some shit like that. अभी हरियाणवी भी नहीं है. He's like, नहीं, अंग्रेजी में propose करना है. अंग्रेजी में propose करना है, go and tell her, I love you from the bottom of my heart. That's fair, right? What's your name? Mansi. That's fair, right? Sounds right. So he remembers the shit, but by the time he reaches his girlfriend Rajvanti, he's lost the plot. He goes to say, Rajvanti, I love you from the heart of my bottom. And she's like, oh my God, same to you. So they're married now. On the other side, people who have good English, especially in the corporate world, right, they like to show it off. Like people who have good English, right? For example, I was doing a show the other day and I was chatting to this guy on WhatsApp and I asked him, dude, are you coming to the show? This guy replies, affirmative. Fuck, affirmative. He could have said yes. And I'm like, fine, gratitude. And then that guy doesn't turn up to the show. I'm writing in the chat, you're dishonest. You dubious person. And then he replies, chuti hai kya? I'm like, yes, affirmative. Of course. See, this is a word I teach people in my shows, right? So generally, किसी को नहीं पता Indian word, okay? So there's a word in English called pusillanimous. सुना है किसी ने? हाँ है. So pusillanimous means cowardly. It's a word. I'm not making shit up. Pusillanimous means cowardly. Like somebody who doesn't have guts is pusillanimous. Like people generally sit in the front and comedy shows are brave. People at the back are pusillanimous. Right? So I have this friend Rajdeep Sadar. He fell in love with the girl as well, and he's like मुझे उसको propose करना. मैं जाके बोल दे. कहते हैं डर लग रहा है. मैं जाके बोल दे डर क्यों रहा है? Stop being pusillanimous. तू सुधार आदमी. Stop being pusillanimous. Rajdeep thinks for a second, then he goes हाँ. Pussy तो लानी पैंच. ये बढ़िया था ना. ये एकदम ऐसे कमेंट कर रहे जोक्स पे जो मुझे चल रहा है सामने. ये बढ़िया था ब्रो. ये वाला अच्छा था. क्या सुनाऊं तुम्हें? सी any fans of Modi ji? I asked you guys, right? तुम में से किसी ने नहीं बोला. But you know, we are a Hindu Rashtra right now. Right? Some of you would be happy. We are a Hindu Rashtra. But you know, I'll tell you a bunch of things about Muslims. Any Muslims here? Any Muslims give me a cheer? No Muslim. Obviously, we're Hindu Rashtra. This is literally Hindu Rashtra show. See, but we can learn a bunch of things about them. We can literally imbibe some stuff from them in the corporate life, right? For example, Muslims as a community are very transparent. काफ़ी पारदर्शी हैं ये लोग, काफ़ी ट्रांसपेरेंट हैं. लाइक दुनिया में कहीं भी बम फोड़ते हैं तो जिम्मेदारी लेते हैं. लाइक कहीं भी बम फूटता है कहीं पे, बिफोर कॉप स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर देम समबडी लाइक डोंट टेक रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. भी हमने किया. So they're very transparent as a community. They're also very flexible. You guys, are you guys married? You're dating. You guys are married? Okay. What's your name?
Anasuya.
Anasuya. Wow. What does that mean?
Somebody who's not jealous, but that's not true.
Yeah. Thanks for clarifying that, Anasuya. I don't think there's any girl who's not jealous. Like I think girls get jealous of girls only, if nothing else. Yeah. See, for example, you guys are married, right? And in Muslims, it's very flexible. For example, you like you can't have multiple partners. Okay, she'll get jealous anyway. Right? But in Muslims is nice and flexible. They're very flexible as a community. They're like talak, kabul. They're very flexible as people. You know, people say that Muslims are not peaceful. I don't agree. I've done a fair bit of research. I think Muslims are also very peaceful as a community. Kafi peaceful hai log. They are so peaceful. They're so peaceful. Jihad. They're very peaceful. They're also very disciplined as a community. They're also very disciplined, you know. They are very disciplined. Like, for example, Al-Qaeda doesn't exist in an organization now. But when they exist, they had a rule. Ki kaam sara कायदे से होगा. So they're very disciplined. This is one last attribute I tell about Muslims, right? Which I really, you guys like banana? You guys like banana? You don't like banana? What kind of person are you? Who doesn't love banana? So I like banana. This is a fruit joke. This is a fruit joke, okay? I like banana. But every time I'm having a banana, right, I'm reminded of a Muslim girlfriend. I used to have a Muslim girlfriend. And every time we used to be in bed together, she used to tell me, Amar, तुम्हें छिलका उतार क्यों नहीं देते? I said, this is a fruit joke, okay? So you guys suck for laughing at that. But you know, CA and RC came in, and there was a lot of division in the society because of that. काफी सारा उसके पीछे protest हुआ, okay? जो लोग protest कर रहे थे, वो राहत इंदौरी साहब का एक शेर था, वो इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे कि सभी का खून शामिल है यहाँ के मिट्टी में, किसी के बाप का हिंदुस्तान थोड़ी है. तो काफ़ी पॉलिटिकल जो है, काफ़ी कॉन्वर्सेशन सारी पॉलिटिकल हो गई है, राइट? लाइक द अदर डे आई लिव इन गुड़गांव. आई टुक अ कैब फ्रॉम गोल्फ कोर्स रोड टू गैलरिया, और अजहर भाई थे ड्राइवर. मैंने कहा चलोगे गैलरिया चलोगे? कहते हैं हाँ सर चलेंगे, किसी के बाप का गैलरिया थोड़ी. As an English comedian, you know, I'm also writer. I wrote a bunch of books. Sometime back I wrote a book called Sleep With Me in the Mountains. That didn't do too well. So I wrote another one, Sleep With Me on the Beaches. Then I realized a lot of people don't like traveling, right? So I'm writing another one, Sleep With Me in the Backseat. But you know, I take language literally. You know, as a writer, I take language literally. When people fuck up language, I don't like it. For example, in the corporate world, people say what's up a lot. Have you heard that? What's up आप लोग use करते होगे? What's up नहीं, bro. कहाँ तू केला पसंद नहीं है? WhatsApp बोल रहा हूँ, तू WhatsApp सुन रहा है? WhatsApp सुना है तूने? हाँ. So people say WhatsApp a lot, right? For the longest time, I thought WhatsApp meant what part of your body is up. Which is very weird, right? Like guys can come and ask you what's up, girls can come and ask me what's up. Like especially girls coming and asking what's up. Like what's up? I'm like, you're not that hot. But still went on for a while and started saying what's wet. And that's when it stopped. And the thing is, for example, people just randomly throw stuff. For example, take care. Use take care as a term, right? People just randomly say it. It's a filler. It's a filler. It doesn't mean much. For example, जब मैं बीमार होता हूँ लोग मुझे नहीं कहते take care. Otherwise, at random points, people just say, I was in a long distance relationship once. I was in Gurgaon, she was in Rajouri Garden. And we were on a video call, okay? And it was getting hot. I'm like, I'm taking my clothes off. She's like, I'm taking my clothes off. Suddenly she's like, Mom, Aagi, take care. Popularly called KLPD. मैं गुड़गांव से हूँ. गुड़गांव में, for example, people use this term called लौड़ा लहसुन. सुना आप लोगों ने? It's a very weird thing. It means nothing. Now, लौड़ा लहसुन as a term means nothing. क्या हो गया आपको? No, as a term it means nothing. But the thing is, at least somebody who likes grammar, I want to at least grammatically fix it. I think you should call it Lassan Loda. Then Lassan becomes an adjective, Loda becomes a noun. Then it's like a chocolate condom. Corporate world में काफी सारे random terms use होते हैं, which mean nothing. I used to work for this woman, she was my boss, and she'd always say, Amar, we need to grab the low-hanging fruits. I'm like, not mine. What do you mean you need to grab the low-hanging fruits? The other thing I think about is the idea of pride, right? Pride. What are we proud of? For example, pride is a strong emotion. You need to feel something strong about to feel pride. Like, what are you proud of? You're proud of the country? Okay, that's great. That's great. What is Anusuya? Sorry, Anusuya, is it? Yeah. So, what are you proud of?
I'm not very sure.
You're not proud of him, clearly. You had a chance to say that, right? See, pride is a strong emotion. Mansi, what are you proud of? You'll have to think about it. See, pride is a strong emotion that is. For example, it has to be a positive emotion. But these days, people are proud of random shit, right? For example, like, there's this whole body shaming revolution going in the world. You guys know that? You can't say shit to people. They get offended. For example, like, I'm not a body shamer, but I'm pro-truth. I think such bolna zaruri hai, right? Like, I met my friend and I met her after a long time and I thought, shit, put on a bit. मैंने कहा, हाँ भी put on a bit. तू गुस्सा हो गई. Hey, तेरे बाप का खा रही हूँ. मैंने कहा, ये क्या बात हुई यार? I had all good intentions and I said that. But वो offend हो गई. So I researched the body shaming revolution a bit. मैंने कहा, इन लोगों से बात कैसे करते हैं? So next time I met her, she was doing yoga. मैंने कहा, why are you doing yoga? You're beautiful the way you are. कहती अपने बाप को जाके बोले. मैं तो तू हर बात में मेरे बाप को खिला रही है. और मैंने पापा को बोला, मैंने पापा यू ब्यूटीफुल द वे यू आर. कहते हैं दांत तोड़ दूंगा. See, the last joke I'll tell you, Gujars are also proud, right? Any Gujars है? Gujar है तुम में से कोई? कोई नहीं है. सब पढ़े लिखे हो. See, Gujars are very proud. Like दिल्ली गुड़गांव की आधी गाड़ियों पे गुर्जर लिखा हुआ है. तो मुझे नहीं पता था क्यों लिखते हैं गुर्जर. But they clearly proud. So I Googled, what are Gujars proud of? Google replied, पिटेगा के. Okay, that's fine. You guys are amazing. Get it. Pussy the लानी पे आंचो.
हेलो हाय गाइस, दिस इज अमर वानी. सच्ची बताऊँ, मेरा राजदीप नाम का कोई दोस्त नहीं है जिसने सब कुछ बोला. सो ये सब चुटकुले हैं. और चुटकुले मज़े लेने के लिए होते हैं, तो किसी भी जोक पे फैन नहीं होना है, ठीक है? अगर आपको मज़ा आया ये वीडियो देख के, तो कृपया अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उन्हें मज़ा आए. आई नो यू गाइस विल गेट बैक टू योर लाइफ्स नाउ. जस्ट काइंड ऑफ सैड. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब सो दैट वी स्टे कनेक्टेड. अनजान हुए तो क्या, ज़िंदगी का एक लम्हा साथ तो जियो. अनजान हुए तो क्या, ज़िंदगी का एक लम्हा साथ तो जियो. बस इतना ही किया, क्या कम किया. ज़बरवानी साइनिंग ऑफ.